We got a 2020 MacBook Air today with a broken screen. You can see lines and patches across the screen. These screens are very fragile. They don't come with the glass anymore, so it's a nylon layer. A little bit of pressure on any area of the screen creates these leaked lines. So this requires a whole screen replacement, which we'll do now. There you go, we replaced the screen on this 2020 MacBook Air, which works brilliantly, normal lines on the screen. It's good to go. We saved at least $400-500 on the customer's budget compared to replacing the whole top case assembly with Apple. So thank you guys for watching, and if you have questions or need the service, all the information is in the description.